Police seeks the public's assistance to identify body found. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Ellison Road Police are seeking the public's assistance to identify the body of a man that was found on Palisadoes Main Road in Kingston 2 yesterday. The body is of dark complexion, built around 180 centimeters or 5 feet 11 inches tall, and was clad in a multicolored shorts only. Reports from the Ellison Road Police are that at around 6:15 p.m., passerby stumbled upon the body and alerted the police. Upon arrival, the body was seen lying face down on the roadway. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. Anyone with information that can assist the police is being asked to contact the Ellison Road Police at 876-928-1261, Crime Stop at 311, or the police emergency number 911 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.